Yo, it's Baltimore rapper Kyng Vynce from Tribe of Benji Records. I'm here today to show y'all how to create a SoundCloud account. So I'm not sure if y'all heard, like I said in the last video, but SoundCloud is stepping their game up, and they about to be paying people the money they supposed to be, the money they deserve. So all you guys that's on SoundCloud and you got a nice little following, but you ain't make it major, or you not a major charting artist, you still gonna be getting that raise. And from what I understand, uh, you know, a person that was making 100 and some change on his SoundCloud, and he has like 124K followers, he'll be making, instead of 100 and some change, $600. That's out of SoundCloud mouth. All right, so I'm just advocating that you use this as another stream. You on the other streaming platforms. Let's use this one to your advantage as well. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna sign out. All right, and to bring y'all to the page that everybody gonna see. Boom. Right. So anybody that type in www.soundcloud.com, that's the page they're gonna see. On this page, they just give you a little bit about what they got going on. They got trending playlists. Upload your own. Start uploading today if you want to start. Uploading music and getting your music out there. So I'm gonna cover in the next video how to upload your song. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your account. So right here in the upper right, you're gonna hit create account. All right. So I have an email. So if I type in my email, it's gonna just ask me for my password. So assuming that you guys don't want to sign in with Facebook, because you don't have any control over your password or anything, you can sign in with your Google. But still, in that case, it's the same thing, or Apple. So what I would suggest is you sign up and put everything in on the site. All right. So let's just say my password is, all right, same shit. Hit continue. Boom. It's gonna tell you choose a password. All right. So let me choose a password. Right. And you gotta click this to make sure that you're not a robot or a hacker, a bot, a hacker bot or some shit like that. Because they used to have them on here heavy. So you hit accept and continue. It's gonna tell them, go ahead, put in your age or whatever. I'm gonna just choose a age, uh, and whatever your gender is, and hit continue. All right, and then it's gonna tell us a bit about yourself. Choose your display name. Um, you already know my name, Kyng Vynce. All right, get started. So boom, you have officially created a SoundCloud account, and from here, you go to your profile, and you have the ability to edit your whole profile. So, you know, they want you, well, after you verify your email address. But until then, you can edit your first name, last name, city, country, or whatever. And this is where, you will upload your image, uh, and then you can start uploading your songs right there. You got the upload button right there. You got the upload button here. And, you know, you got your messages right here, your notifications, where the bell at. I'm not sure who that is. Uh, all the shit you need to know right here, as far as your distribution, all that. Um, dig deep. I mean, when you get this profile, don't just get the profile and leave it alone, or just start uploading track. Find out what you need to upload, what you need to know about it. I mean, this is the home page. It's going to take you to music for you to discover. This is the stream. This is be where the people you follow actually, the music that they post actually pops up or repost. This will be the library of things you like, your history, but we don't have one of those right now because we ain't do nothing yet. Um, and I just want to pat you on the back. You took a big step. There's a lot of people that, they say they want to do something and they don't do it, but you took the time out. You learned how to get this SoundCloud thing jumping. You officially have a SoundCloud page. Now it's time to upload. Um, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, Kyng Vynce. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos like this, showing you how to, distribute your music, monetize your music on SoundCloud, get more followers on here, likes, things of that nature. So if you found any value in this content, go ahead, like the video, share the video, add it to a playlist, show it to your friends, show it to your family, whatever you gotta do. But make sure that you stay persistent, you stay consistent with your music, and you keep uploading. The next video is about how to upload your music. Stay tuned. Yeah.